Hey everyone, I just wanted to take a moment to share a quick and easy audio editing tip. This could apply to anyone who's ever recorded their voice for really anything and had their recording interrupted by a loud or even a quiet hum. This could be caused by construction vehicles or a leaf blower in the background or even a noisy AC unit, whatever. It's just one of many options that could help you get rid of those low tone noises in the background. So let's go see what we can do about it. Alright, so first and foremost, make sure that you're recording in a well-treated space, and this goes especially for, if not specifically for, voice actors. If your space isn't treated well, then this is just going to be one of many audio problems that you're going to constantly be running into. Also, if the noise is excessively loud and it sounds like a jet is taking off outside of your home, then you'll probably just need to hold off on that recording. But anyway, let's get to it. So, when you open your audio editing software, in this case Audacity, you're going to want to find the effect called high pass filter. Almost every audio editing application or program has this, and if yours doesn't, then you probably need to upgrade. Audacity is free, by the way, and it's pretty simple. So select high pass filter and set the frequency to 70 Hz and the roll-off to 12 dB. You should also be able to set this as a preset for future use. In this case, in Audacity, it's located right here. Hz, or Hertz, by the way, is the unit used to measure the frequency of a wave. 70 Hz is relatively low, and I feel like it's kind of the sweet spot for the high-pass filter. If something's generating noise that's, say, 20 Hz or lower, the human ear isn't even going to be able to hear it. So that sound that's showing up in your recording as a quiet or maybe even a loud hum is probably in the 50 to 70 Hz range. dB, on the other hand, is short for decibel, and that's pretty much just another way of saying volume or loudness. So it basically describes how high the peaks of a wave go. Again, 12 dB is pretty much a sweet spot here in my opinion. Of course, tweak things to your needs depending on the situation. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. There are other ways to edit out low tones. I just feel that this is the quickest, most simple method, and honestly, it's worked for me every time that I've needed it. So feel free to save, flag, share, and bookmark this video for future use. Talk to you soon.